All right, let's see if we can turn this slightly concerned little doodle into something that belongs in a Pixar waiting room. First, I'm placing the sketch into Illustrator. This is our blueprint, our guide, and currently the only thing stopping this ghost from looking like a potato. Now I'm tracing the outer shape using simple curves and anchor points. Nothing fancy here. Just patiently convincing Illustrator that this blob is, in fact, a ghost. The basic silhouette is done, and honestly, it already looks like it's questioning my life choices. Next, I'm filling the shape and starting to add gradients. This is where the flat vector begins its journey toward becoming suspiciously expensive looking. A darker blue up top, a warm yellow below, and suddenly this ghost has better lighting than most YouTube videos. Translation: dragging random sliders until my brain says, yeah, that's the one. Time for some highlights. I'm adding soft light reflections to create that glossy 3D effect. Instead of a drawing, it actually looks like something you could accidentally buy as an NFT in 2021. Now I'm adjusting the gradient until it feels smooth and natural. More highlights, more blending, more pretending I totally planned this from the beginning. Now the body is starting to feel round and dimensional. Because apparently every object on the internet needs to look like it's made of premium plastic. Let's give this ghost some eyes, a couple of circles, some gradients, a few shadows.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz.
The pupils are adjusted and positioned carefully because 1 millimeter in the wrong direction can turn cute character into possessed demon.
Just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that were run from me. Now it's just still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree.
Now I'm refining the shadows around the eyes to help them sit naturally inside the face. Much better. The ghost has officially become self-aware.
I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some headphones, walking with truths. Ain't no answers in the feed, just noise and flex. But I found God once in a vinyl set. Talk slow when I speak, let the moment stretch. Learn peace ain't found, it's a thing you protect. Yeah, I vibe like water, I change and shift. But the roots still deep like my grandma's grits. City move fast, but I drift like smoke. Let the rhythm in my chest be the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. Why the healing don't shout, but it still got hope. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul.
And just like that, it's staring directly into my soul. Next up, the mouth. I'm building a simple shape and adding depth with shading and highlights. At first, it looks weird. Then it looks worse. Then suddenly it works.
Got me up on a late night. You steady playing on my mind. Oh, I can't get you out my head. Got a feeling I can't fight. There's nothing left, but it feels right. I'm feeling you and I won't pretend. I don't wanna say too much. I don't wanna say too much. I just wanna feel your touch. I wanna be closer, babe. I just wanna give you my love.
Classic design process. Now I'm experimenting with the tongue shape and adding some bright colors to make the expression more playful. A little shadow underneath, a little highlight on top. And now our ghost looks less haunted and more mildly excited. I'm zooming in to refine details because tiny adjustments make a huge difference when you're trying to fake 3D inside a vector program.
I'll be pulling up. Never could I give you up. Got it bad, I must confess. And I don't wanna say too much. I don't wanna say too much. I just wanna feel your touch. I just wanna feel your touch.
More highlights, more shadows, more trust the process.
I just wanna give you my love, my love, my love, my love. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine. Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when seasons change, my love will still remain. 'Cause I got you. I got you. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine. Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when seasons change, my love will still remain. 'Cause I got you. I got you.
Now it's time for color exploration. The original blue and yellow version looks nice, but let's see what happens when we push things further. A few gradient changes later, and suddenly we're getting soft pinks, purples, and vibrant transitions. This version feels much friendlier, like a ghost that apologizes after scaring you. I'm making final tweaks to the lighting, contrast, and overall balance to make sure everything feels polished. At this stage, every adjustment is small, but together, they make the character feel finished. And there we have it. A rough sketch transformed into a colorful 3D-styled ghost using nothing but Illustrator, gradients, highlights, shadows, and an unreasonable amount of zooming. From scribble to spooky, from flat to fluffy. And from sketchbook doodle to a ghost with better skincare than the rest of us. Gotta do better than walking on dodging the surface. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. All of the weather we doing, our promises worth it. Open the curtains, baby I'm certain. I want it all, we come in, it's a coupe. If you've made it this far, you're officially one of us. Hit Hit subscribe and join Social Animal Studio for more Illustrator magic, design experiments, and unhealthy amounts of anchor points.
The legend, a symbol of that. Symbols, I ain't gonna crash.